Welcome back to Fresh Living. Okay, if you're in need of some last-minute decor ideas, we have got you covered. All right, you can look to the right and the left of us, and we have some inflatables. They've been provided by Walmart, and the best part is prices are being slashed this week, so it is not too late to add to your Halloween collection, especially, you know, you last-minute procrastinators. Walmart is there for you.
I love this so much. It reminds me of my dad because he has probably like 20 in his yard, and it's so funny because kids will like run through the yard, but then they get like closed, like they just fall because of all the little things that hold them up. Anyway, shout out to you, Dad. I love it.
Love it, love it. And I mean, it's really great because you can go now and you can stock up for next year.
100%.
So there you go. Honestly, this one is really more in my realm because scary things freak me out, and I feel like this pumpkin face is staring at me.
It's not, it's fine. Okay, speaking of Halloween, of course, because it's our Halloween show, so I have some fun facts about Halloween in the U.S. You guys are going to not believe this. Big spending, okay, Americans spend over, do you know this? How much do they spend?
No, that's math. I have no idea.
$10 billion. $10
billion?
Billion, with a B. Okay, that's insane, but that's awesome. Because, of course, Utahns love Halloween, and it's all coming probably from our state, so.
Oh, yeah, and I was going to say, we're the #1 state in the U.S. for Halloween decorations. We go big.
Oh, we go big. Okay, so haunted house. How many do you think haunted house around the country that there are?
You keep asking me to,
numbers
are not my thing, so
4,000.
4,000, okay.
4,000. And we've got some amazing ones here in Utah. They came on the show, and it's amazing. Okay, Halloween colors. Do you know any of the Halloween colors and why they are?
Well, orange and black, but the history, I have no clue.
So traditional Halloween colors are orange, and black represents fall harvest season. Okay, so orange is the harvest season, and black is more the darkness of mystery, and they both together create that spooky seasonal.
We love that. I mean, you can't see orange and black without immediately thinking of Halloween.
No,
it just is what it is.
All right, and I'm pretty sure, you said the stat, one of the most popular candies out there, do you know what it is? I keep asking Elora.
M&M's.
Oh man, I just get tons of handfuls of
because that in Utah, our #1 candy is peanut M&Ms. So, and Walmart has tons of candy too. If you're going to get, you know, inflatables, you can pick up your candy there too.
That's right. Do you eat candy corn?
No, candy corn is wax. I'm pretty sure every candle that is made, they just melt candy corn and then a candle is created.
Tell my son that he'll start eating my candles, Elora. Okay, so candy corn was originally called chicken feed.
Oh, I absolutely believe that because it tastes like chicken feed. Not that I've had chicken feed. I'm just saying.
Okay, let's see. I think I have one more. Trick or treat originated in the 1930s. While Halloween was ancient roots, trick or treating, as we know, became popular in America around the 1930s.
There you go. Happy Halloween and a history lesson.
All right, and can you